Welcome back to another quick video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can spy on your competitors so you can see what sort of advertisements they're running on Facebook and Instagram. The first thing you're going to want to do is just go into your Facebook and find your competitor's website. In this case, I'm using Zalando, which is this European-based clothing website. I mean, they do e-commerce for clothing, shoes, whatever you may think of. In order to see what advertisements they're running, and I know for sure they're running some, you're going to want to look on the right-hand side and scroll down to page transparency. Now here you can see that Facebook shows you information on how to understand the purpose of a page, and you can see who the confirmed owner is. This is for a lot of reasons useful, but for you in this case, you're going to want to click on see more. And what this opens up is a summary of the page, and you are able to see what sort of ads are being run from this page by going to their ad library. I said this is a really quick tutorial, so this is basically it right here. You get open into this dashboard and you can see what advertisements they are running, in which countries they're running the advertisements, for which specific products, and you can see some ad details. So as you can see, they're running a lot of different advertisements, especially for face masks at the moment. I guess that's a big seller right now. You can see what the page was created, also very interesting stuff. And of course, once you're in this ads page, you can search up other competitors just up here by typing whatever their name is, and you could go directly to their page and look at their ad library. So that was the tutorial for today. I hope that was interesting for you guys, and if you want to see more like this, let me know down below, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up.